They don't give a fuck about us. This is insane. This poor man. This is crazy. Like, the whole road is ice. This ain't nothing but ice. Like, what the fuck? It just, you can't even start. Like, as soon as you try to pick up some speed, you're gonna start sliding and swerving. Pulling out all fast. Shouldn't be. Look at this shit. This shit is crazy. And I feel like the management people, y'all should be calling or hiring somebody or something, getting some people to come back here and clean this shit. Like, this is fucked up. It's just getting neglected back here. Like, my fucking parking spot be going anyway after I done did my car out. And then we went to play my numbers real quick and come right back and watch me not have my spot. I don't even got time for that. This is